The world's tangible heritage is threatened by a number of phenomena. I've seen over time how sites deteriorate visibly. They deteriorate because of natural decay, and they deteriorate because they're destroyed, deliberately destroyed by cultural terrorism. There are art thieves who cut out rock art, for example. There is a danger of sea level rising. It is therefore important to document these sites, to create a record, to produce maps and metrically correct information about the sites. To date, we have documented more than 60 sites in 17 countries.
Only a few years ago, the idea of automatically registering laser scans and photographs was just a dream. And on top of that, modeling, hole filling, and texturing. That was such a far-fetched idea until reality capture came along.
In 2017 and 2018, we went to Bagan, which is in Myanmar. On our field trips to Bagan, we took along 2 ZNF laser scanners and a Phantom 4 Pro drone. To have a drone on site is very vital, as you are able to create point cloud footage where the laser scanner is unable to reach. In this 2-year period, we did 3 field trips to Bagan. We came home with over 2,000 scans and several thousand images. The overall amount of data that accumulated from the trips reaches an amount of about 5 terabytes.
To spatially document these heritage sites, we want to produce the best models possible to represent these sites for the future. The resulting 3D models were truly spectacular. When it comes to texturing, we hadn't experienced any other software that could produce such great results. We had tested out reality capture before, but we really wanted to try and see what we could get from the software with the Bagan dataset. We have developed a method where we use the last of our drone battery life and walk around the sites at ground level. This adds a lot more detail at a level where you don't normally fly the drone. Access via the bamboo scaffolds with the laser scanner proved challenging at times, especially as no footwear is allowed whatsoever in the temples and pagoda areas. The hot sun heated the bricks all day, and we had to improvise to scan on the roofs at times. Reality capture has revolutionized the way that we create textured 3D models of heritage sites, and we are very excited to produce more stunning models in the future.